Hey, billionaires in the making. Welcome back to the channel where we turn everyday hustle into real, tangible cash. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. Are you tired of the financial grind? Sick of watching your paycheck disappear before the month is even over? You're not alone. So many of us are searching for a way out of the endless cycle of bills and stress. Maybe you're dreaming of extra cash without picking up a second job, or you just want a little more breathing room in your budget. Imagine what you could do with an extra $500 every single week. Pay off debt, save for a trip, or just enjoy life a bit more. What if I told you there's a simple side hustle that genuinely makes me $500 a week? Right from my own home. No crazy skills, no huge investment. Stick around, because I'm about to reveal exactly how you can do it too. This is something you can start today, even if you've never run a business before. All right, let's cut to the chase. What's the secret side hustle that's stacking my account? It's something most people overlook, but the demand is insane. I'm talking about basic social media management for small businesses. Yep, it sounds almost too easy, but hear me out. This is the real deal. Businesses are desperate for help, and you can be the solution. Businesses everywhere desperately need someone to keep their social media pages alive, and most of them don't have the time or know-how. That's where I come in, and where you can too. You don't need to be a marketing genius. You just need to be consistent and reliable. So why is this so effective? First, it leverages platforms everyone already uses. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, you name it. You can start with zero fancy equipment, just your phone or laptop. If you can post a photo or reply to a comment, you're already qualified. Second, small businesses are everywhere and they need help now. From your local coffee shop to the gym down the street, every business wants to be seen online, but most don't have the time or energy to do it themselves. Third, it's flexible. You can manage pages before work, after work, or anytime you want. And yes, you can scale up as much as you want. Whether you want to keep it small or turn it into a full-time gig, the choice is yours. I'm not reinventing the wheel here. I'm just seeing an opportunity that's hiding in plain sight. The best part? You don't need to be a creative genius or a tech wizard, just someone who's willing to show up and help. Ready for the step-by-step? Here's how I went from $0 to $500 a week. Grab a notepad because you'll want to remember this. Step 1, identify a niche. Maybe it's local gyms, pet stores, coffee shops. Pick one you care about. Focusing on a niche makes it easier to tailor your pitch and stand out from the crowd. Step 2, reach out. DM 10 businesses a day with a super simple offer. Hey, I can post for you, respond to comments, and keep your page active. All for a flat weekly rate. Don't overthink it. Most business owners are just happy someone wants to help. Step 3, set your pricing. I started at $100 per business per week. Land 5 clients and there's your $500. As you gain experience, you can raise your rates or offer premium packages. Step 4, deliver results. Use free tools like Canva to make simple posts. Schedule them using free apps. Respond to comments. That's literally it. You don't need to spend hours. Just be consistent and professional. Now, once you're earning $500 a week, how do you level up? First, automate routine tasks. Use templates for posts. The more you streamline, the more clients you can handle without burning out. Second, upsell. Offer stories, reels, or even ad management for a higher fee. Businesses love seeing their engagement grow, and you can be the one to make it happen. Third, batch your work. Block time so you're not glued to your phone all day. It's about working smarter, not harder. Set aside a few hours each week to plan and schedule everything in advance. But quick reality check. Don't fall into the common traps. Don't procrastinate. Seriously, just send those messages. The only thing standing between you and your first client is taking action. Don't overcomplicate it. Start with the basics and grow from there. You don't need a fancy office or expensive gear. Just a willingness to learn and a drive to succeed. And remember, treat this like a real business, even if you're only putting in an hour a day. Consistency builds trust and cash flow. The more reliable you are, the more referrals and opportunities will come your way. So there you have it. A simple side referral that's making me $500 a week, and now you have the roadmap too. Your bank account is waiting, so stop wishing and start doing. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more wealth-building secrets, and hit that notification bell so you never miss your next opportunity. I'm here every week with new ways to help you grow your income and build the life you want. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest takeaway from this video? Or if you have questions about getting started, drop them below. I'm here to help you succeed.